What's up, y'all? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Listen, hey, don't mind my granddaughter. She loves being on camera. Yes, she does. But look here, I wanted to talk to you all about something grand. Can we talk about something real for a second? Do your feet ever feel like they're just done after standing in the laundry room for 20, 30 minutes folding clothes or switching out loads? Girl, same here. That's exactly why I had to grab this black and white laundry room rug. And when the Venus reached out to me and said, "Do you want to check this out?" I said, "Yes, I do." And let me just say this, it's totally changed my laundry room game. So what is it? It's an anti-fatigue laundry rug that's made with soft, foamy, natural rubber. The second I stepped on it, I could feel the cushion under my feet. It's not one of those thin, floppy mats. This one is solid, 5 millimeters thick. Yes, please, to comfort. And don't even get me started on how cute the design is. Super stylish, super functional. It instantly elevated the laundry room vibes. Now, let's talk safety. This rug is flat, heavy, and has a rubber non-slip backing, so it actually stays in place. I've had rugs that slide around like they're in a skating rink. Not this one. Whether I'm in socks or slippers, I feel totally secure. And for all my busy mamas, grandmamas, whomever, or multitasking queens, this thing is so easy to clean. If it gets dusty or dirty, I just give it a shake, run the vacuum over it, or wipe it with a damp cloth. Done. If it's really been through it, I'll scrub it with soapy water, and it comes out looking brand new. Here's what I love most. This rug works everywhere. Laundry room, yes. Bathroom, absolutely. Kitchen, you bet. And mudroom, go for it. It's like that one friend who's good in every situation. If you've been looking for a way to make doing chores a little more comfortable and maybe even a little prettier, this is it. So go ahead and treat your feet and your floors. Trust me, they deserve it.